All the sights and sounds of Denver are joined now at times by something else.
Within the first 20 minutes of getting here, we smelled marijuana.
The marijuana industry in Colorado is growing fast.
$24, that's after tax though.
Bringing jobs, tax revenue, and tourists to the state.
It's in a childproof case.
The drug is commercialized.
Yeah, 10 milligrams is one dose.
It's accessible.
We're talking mass commercialization.
It's exactly what mother of four, Gina Carboni, is worried about.
8-year-old knows the smell of it. We drive by pot shops all the time, and it's very confusing to kids. It looks like candy.
She's part of Smart Colorado, an organization formed after the legalization of recreational marijuana.
We were told it was going to be tightly regulated. It would not be in the hands of our kids. We would get rid of the black market. And unfortunately, those things aren't true. That has not come to fruition in Colorado.
Smart Colorado's goal is to have marijuana more tightly regulated and kept out of the hands of children. The gas station manager, Connor Morrison, supports legal weed, but says there is room for the rules to tighten up.
They need to change on that because 7 grams of shatter or wax goes a lot further than 7 grams of flour.
Across the state, there is a push for education to make sure kids know that just because marijuana is legal for their parents doesn't make it okay for them.
Basically what you're finding is people that are of age, 21, they'll purchase the marijuana of legal amounts, the edibles, the hash oil, and then they'll basically go out and try and sell it on their own. It's a very small market of that, but once again, it's still there.
Police report that a new trend is starting in Denver high schools, an increase in students bringing marijuana to campus.
The kids are also seeing the severity of it. Just when they go into school, it's taken to a different level.
The marijuana of today is stronger.
So this is our nursery, and in here is where we start our clones or seeds.
Products have more THC.
Simply because it's legal does not mean that it is safe.
Dr. Christopher Caldwell, Director of Emergency Medicine, treats patients of all ages for marijuana-related symptoms. Some consume too much and feel sick. Others under the influence behave dangerously. Dr. Caldwell says while it's hard to overdose as an adult, children can ingest quantities that are immediately life-threatening.
We need to be very aware, again, of long-term impacts of marijuana on the young brain, on the more mature brain, on the body, addictive qualities like she brought up, lots of things we still need to learn about that we don't know yet.
In Colorado, it's illegal to consume marijuana in public. Still, according to police, people do. Law enforcement issues tickets. While crime rates remain fairly level, there are other issues occupying officers.
We've had people drive under the influence of marijuana.
Just go ahead and take that up to the front counter.
Getting folks to understand the law has been one of the greatest challenges, according to police. Recreational marijuana is legal in Colorado, and an example for Alaska to turn to, good or bad. In Denver, Shannon, Ballard, KTVA 11 News.